Jake panted happily as he led his owner Sarah down the sunny sidewalk. Sarah smiled, grateful for Jake's loyal companionship. "You're such a good boy," she said, giving him an affectionate pat. "Let's celebrate how you help people on International Guide Dog Day." Started in the UK in 2017, International Guide Dog Day is held annually on April 24th. It honors the indispensable role guide dogs play in empowering those with vision impairments. For centuries, specially trained canines have provided independence, safety, companionship through navigational assistance. On this special day, guide dog schools and organizations raise awareness for their cause. They highlight how these selfless animals transform lives through compassionate acts each day. The bond between human and canine is celebrated as one of empathy, trust, mutual reliance. Appreciation events honor pioneering teams who have enhanced mobility. That afternoon, Sarah visited Jake's training facility, which held an open house. Puppies in training showed off their developing skills while certified teams shared impactful partnership stories. The space buzzed with engaged visitors learning how they could support vision assistance programs. As the sun began to dip, Sarah smiled while Jake played fetch with other canine companions. She reflectively traced the star attached to his vest, symbolizing his heroic role. Through Jake, her world was filled with vivid sounds and textures instead of confining darkness. International Guide Dog Day is a reminder that we all depend on others. With determination and teamwork, barriers can be overcome. Sarah was grateful for Jake's selfless dedication, empowering both to fully embrace each day's adventures together. Their unbreakable bond exemplified how unconditional love knows no limits. April 24 is International Guide Dog Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Guide Dog Day. Cheers!